The next question relates really to the length of time, the length that one should make the night prayer. Is there any indications from Quran and Sunnah relating to the length?
There are various hadith talking about it, and the length can vary, but the Sunnah of the Prophet was that he used to pray usually for long hours. And the hadith in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 2, in the Book of Tahajjud, hadith number 1135, that Sahaba says that I joined the Prophet one night while he was offering the Qiyaam-ul-Layl. And it was so long that an evil thought came to me. So when he was asked, what was the evil thought? He felt like sitting down and keeping the Prophet standing. That means it was so long. There's another hadith in Sahih Muslim, volume number 1, in the Book of Salaah, hadith number 1697, where it says that once a Sahaba, he prays the Qiyaam-ul-Layl along with Prophet Sallallahu, and the Prophet started reciting Surah Baqarah. And the Sahaba says that when we finished about 100 verses, he thought the Prophet would bow down, but the Prophet continued. Then later on, he thought that after some verses he would bow down, but he continued. Then he thought that, okay, maybe after Surah Baqarah ends, the Prophet would bow down. But after Surah Baqarah ends, he continues reciting. He recites Surah Nisa. And that again is 176 verses. And after that ends, he recites Surah Ale-Imran. And he continues leisurely. That means Prophet used to pray for hours. Imagine, Surah Baqarah, Surah Nisa, Surah Ale-Imran. It is about, all put together, at least 5 juz. Imagine, only in that one rakah.
Subhanallah.
So this was the length at many a time. But there's no fixed length. A person can vary as much as. The Prophet always preferred praying longer. Further, it's mentioned in Sahih Hadith of Sunnah Abu Dawud, volume number 1, in the Book of Salaah, Hadith number 873. The beloved Prophet, one of the Sahaba, says that when he used to pray, he started the Qiyaam-ul-Layl, and after Surah Fatiha, he read Surah Baqarah. Then he went in the ruku, in the bowing position. And when he was in the bowing position, he stayed there as long as he was standing before. Then he got up, he put his head straight, and he was in the standing position till as much time as he was in the bowing position.
Wow.
Then he goes to the sujood. And the Prophet was, but naturally says that he said, Subhana bin Nazim in the ruku, glory be to Allah. And then in the sujood, he says, Subhana bin Allah, glory be to Allah who is the highest. And he was in the sujood position as long as he was in the standing position. And in between the two sujood also, he was as long as he was in the sujood position. Saying that all these positions, the qiyam, the ruku, the standing after ruku, the sujood, and the sitting between the two sujood, he used to take his own time and it used to be long. That means the Qiyaam-ul-Layl was very long. There's another hadith in Sahih Muslim, volume number 4, hadith number 6774. Hazrat Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, she says that the Prophet, while offering Qiyaam-ul-Layl, the night prayer, he used to stand for such long hours that his feet used to swell. So his wife, Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha, may Allah be pleased with her, she says that all your past and the future sins have been forgiven. So why do you ask for forgiveness so much? Why do you pray for so long? So he said, shouldn't I be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? So all the more reason he says you should be thankful. So the Prophet normally used to pray for long hours. So the longer you offer the Qiyaam-ul-Layl, the better it is.